Hello there, so welcome to my channel. You're going to first clean your cow skin and cook it for 5 minutes. Now when it's boiled, throw away the water. Now this time around, put all your seasoning you will use to steam it. You're going to cook it until it is soft and tender. Now mind you, you want to use just little water. When it's soft and tender, drain it out. Add your periwinkle in a different pot. When it's boiled, drain off the water also. Then add your stock you use for your cow skin. Allow it to cook until the periwinkle is well cooked. Now you're going to bleach your oil like this. Add everything you need to add into it. Now this is me adding Ugba and adding onion at the same time. Stir properly. You are going to pour in the delicious cow skin you have prepared and your periwinkle. Stir properly and add any other ingredients of your choice. Take your pot back to the stove and now you are going to be stirring on a low heat. Please subscribe, garnish with utazi, and guys, the recipe is ready. See you.